Humanity is divided. Dear fellow beings of this beautiful planet, it is with a heavy heart that I see the disunity that plagues our world today. Our unique features, including our appearances, observations, and thoughts, have led us to divide ourselves into separate groups, creating barriers between us. But let me tell you this, we are all humans. Underneath our skin color, origin, voice, language, and gender, we all have the same beating heart, the same need for love, and the same desire for peace. Together, we are invincible. Yes, life may be easier if we all look the same, but that is not the reality we live in. Instead, let us celebrate our differences and recognize that diversity is what makes us beautiful. Let us work together, hand in hand, to build a world where every human being is treated with kindness, compassion, and respect. I know that some may argue that humanity's divisions are insurmountable, that we are forever doomed to be separate by our uniqueness. But I firmly believe that if we all accept the truth that we are all humans, created in the image of our loving God, we can overcome any obstacle. Let us strive for unity, for one world, one home, one race, one species. Let us reject the darkness of fate and embrace the light of love. Let us follow the path that God has set for us, filled with goodness and blessings. My dear friends, I believe that a better humanity is possible, one where we are all united, strong, and loving beings. Join me in promoting the ideology that underneath it all, we are all the same. We are all humans. Together, let us make this world a better place for ourselves and for generations to come. Peace be upon you all, children of God. He loves us all, even in our uniqueness.